Today's tutorial is going to be on this interwoven loop technique. It's a wonderful texture visually and physically. Also, it gives kind of this braided look or this cable look that's just adds a really nice effect to any blanket or sweater or other maybe garment that you might be crocheting. My name is Sig, and what a pleasure it is to have you with me at this time today. It's your interest and support that allows me to contribute new content and weekly videos. Help us all grow together by tapping the subscribe bar, notification bell, and like buttons. I look forward to your comments and always appreciate your feedback. Now let's get started. So for this particular technique, you're going to need to work in multiples of 4. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to chain 1. And in the second chain from the hook, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to single crochet. Then I'm going to single crochet 3 more, 1, 2, and 3. I'm then going to chain 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then I'm going to single crochet 4. Then I'm going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to single crochet 4 again. I'm then going to chain 1. I'm going to turn my work. Then I'm going to single crochet a single crochet in each of the next single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to again single crochet in each of the next single crochets. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then again, next single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And chain 1 and turn my work. And I'm going to single crochet in each one of these next stitches for both rows 3 and 4. Now at the end of row 4, if you're going to use different colors, now is the time to change. And then with my new color, again, I'm going to single crochet in that first single crochet. And then I'm going to single crochet in the next 3 single crochets. Then I'm going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to single crochet 4 single crochets. Then I'm going to chain 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then again, I'm going to single crochet in the next single crochet stitches, four of them. And then as before, of course, chain once. And then I'm going to single crochet in each single crochet for the next 3 rows. So again, now that I've completed those 4 rows, chain 1, and then I'll do repeat rows 1 through 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then chain 12. And then single crochet 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then chain 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then again, single crochet 4 more times. And that completes the repetition of row 1, chain 1. I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to single crochet in each of the next single crochets. And I'm going to do that for rows 2, 3, and 4, just as before. Next, we're just going to weave each one of these loops together. Now, as long as you're working in multiples of 4, you can make this piece as long, as wide, as tall as you like. These braided loop stitches give a cable effect without the complexity of crocheting an actual cable stitch. Texture-wise, it looks great. It feels great. This is one of those really simple stitches that should stay in your library because you're sure to return to it from time to time. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video with me today. And until I see all you wonderful and creative fiber artists again, stay creative, stay amazing. Have a great day now.